Viewers, my name is Seshad Raju. Today I want to discuss you about the second chapter of 10th class, that is sets. A set is a collection of things which have common. Something is common. Collection of things which have something common. They are represented with flower brackets on both sides, and the things that are present in the sets, they are known as elements. We will discuss about this something in common. For example, we take 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10 and so on. It is the even numbers. We have common thing. So the elements present in this set, in this one, it is known as the one set. And also next example we can take 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, and these are the prime numbers. They have common thing as prime numbers. So, and also next example, January, February, March, and so on, December. They are the months. Months are the common thing. So the elements present are called as sets. It is the example of sets, and they separated by with commas. In each element they are separated by one comma. So it is the next we can discuss that set is a two types. One is roster form, and another is the set builder form. In roster form, the set is represented by all the elements. For example, you can take A, E, I, O, U. This is the example of roster form. But in the set builder form, the elements that in the set, the elements that represented by words are some examples like this expression. This example is represented for a set builder form. Then we can represent as x is to, this is the vowels. So we can write as vowels. X belongs to vowels. This is the example of set builder form. And another example we can take as -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. We can represent in a set builder form as x belongs to, x is less than or equals to 2 and greater than or equals to -2. X belongs to z. Z means integer. Z is an integer. These are some examples of roster form and set builder form. Next we can discuss, if they ask like terminate set builder form into roster form, all the factors of 20, then we know that we can write as flower bracket. In the flower bracket, 1 is the factor of 20, 2 is the factor of 20, and 4 also factor of 20, 5 also factor of 20, 10 and 20 is the factors of 20. If they ask this like x is a letter in the word madam, then we can write as M, A, D. Cannot write the repeated letters, so we can write only M, A, D. Next, P is the set of the prime numbers below 10. Then we can write in the flower bracket prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7. below 10. First form terminates into a set builder form. Then if they ask like this, P comma R comma A comma N comma C comma A comma L, you can write as X is a letter from the word principal. For this 3 comma 6 comma 9 comma 12 comma 15, it is the multiples of 3. So we can write as X is a multiple of 3. For this one 2 comma 4 comma 8 comma 16 comma 32. This one is 2 square 2 cube 2 power 4 2 power 5. You can write as X is a powers of 2, like this. Just like this question, the symbol denotes belongs to, and the symbol denotes does not belongs to. On this 0 is dash A. 0 belongs to. This one 0 is present in the set of A, so belongs. 3 dash C. 3 does not belongs to C. This does not present in the set of C, so we can write does not belongs to. 4 dash B. 4 does not belongs to B. 4 does not present in the set of B, so we can write as does not belongs to. And 8 does not belongs to A. 8 does not present in the set of A, so we can write as does not belongs to. P belongs to C. P is present in the set of C. We can write as P belongs to C. So just like this question, this one depends the subset, and this one it does not the subset. Subset means we take this diagram, it is A and B. A is the subset of B. A is present in the diagram. A is present in the area of the B. So A is subset of B. As usual, we can take like this: A equals to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4, and B equals to 2 comma 4, C equals to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 7. A is not a subset of B because B has only 2 elements and A has 4 elements, so it is not a subset of B. C has 5 elements and A has 4 elements, so it is also not a subset of A. B has 2 elements and A has 4 elements, and also 2 and 4 are present in the A also, so it is a subset of A. A has 4 elements and C has 5 elements, and 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 and 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 are both present in the A and C, so it is a subset of C. Like this, A equals to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma and so on 10. B equals 2 comma 3 comma 5 comma 7. Find A intersection B and show that A intersection B equals to B. Then A intersection B, you know that A intersection B equals to common elements. You can take 2, 3, 5 and 7. Then we can write as 2 comma 3 comma 5 comma 7. It is equals to B. That is A intersection B equals to. Next we can discuss Venn diagrams. It is A union B means it is A and it is B. You can take all the balloon in the diagram, all the elements in the diagram. It is the Venn diagram of A union B. for the A intersection B, can take only the intersection part of the A and B. For example, we take A equals to 1, 2, 3, 4 and B equals to 3, 4, 6. For using Venn diagrams, A union B equals to A, B. For A, 1, both in the same present is not true, is 4 common element. So we can write 1, 2, 3, 4 is the intersection and 3, 6. Can write all the elements in the intersection part. For the union part, for the intersection part, A intersection B, can write only the intersection of the A and B, that is 4. B equals to P, Q, C equals to X, Y, Z. Find subsets of both of them. First we can, number of subsets means we have formula 2 power n. N is the number of elements present in the set. We can write B equals to 2 elements are present, 2 power 2 equals to 4 subsets we want to do. So write 5 is the first subset, and then P, Q, PQ, the 4 subsets of the B. Next C equals to X, Y, Z. There are 3 elements, so 2 power 3 equals to 8 subsets we want. Firstly, 5 is the first subset, X is the second, Y, Z, XY, YZ, ZX, then for subset is C. Just like this question, if A equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and B equals to 4, 5, 6, 7, then find A minus B and B minus A. First we can write A minus B equals to A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minus B 4, 5, 6, 7. First we delete the same elements which are present in the both A and B. First observe the same elements. Then delete the both of them and write which is present in the left side of this one. We can write A minus B means the elements present in only in the A part, 1, 2, 3. This is A minus B. When you want to find B minus A, first write B elements 4, 5, 6, 7 minus A elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The elements present in the both A and B, you can cancel them. 4 and 5 are the common elements. Then the elements present in the B, you can write 6, 7. This is B minus A. Just like this question for empty set and for non-empty set. Empty set means no elements that are not present in the set, and non-empty set means the elements that are present in the set. There are some elements that are present in the set means non-empty set. First we take set of lines passing through a point. If a point we can take there are number of lines that are passing to the same point. So it is non-empty set. Next question, set of odd natural numbers divisible by 2. If you take 2 multiples, that is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on. The divisible by 2 is only even numbers. So there is no odd natural numbers that is divisible by 2. So it is a empty set. Next question, the set of months in a year. Months are January, February, and so on, December. It is a non-empty set. The elements present in it, so it is called a non-empty. Completed this chapter. If you have any doubts regarding to this class, comment it into the comment box. If you like my video, please subscribe it. Thank you so much.